Good afternoon, traders. This is Taylor from thetradinganalyst.com, and this is your January 13th, 2016 midday market report. We're going to run through a few charts here, mostly are going to be intraday charts here. If I need to make some references to the daily charts, I'm going to do so. So first, let's start it off with the S&P 500. We've got a couple of trend lines that have been broken on the S&P 500. This is the 15-minute chart going back 10 days. We've got this downtrend line that was broken yesterday. We had another downtrend line that was broken the day before that. And then we have one more downtrend line. I'm going to have to go back a little bit further here. One more downtrend line up here. And that's going to touch right around 196. Just above 196 is where the S&P 500 is going to meet that downtrend line. So as you can see, each downtrend line has gotten rejected and then consolidated and then eventually broken over it. Okay, so I assume that with the trend line up at just around 196, the average range for the S&P 500 for the last few days has been about 3.5 points. So that might be a good area to scalp some shorts up there. Otherwise, we have this nice uptrend line down here that I really like over here. Okay, and that'll be right around 192.50 is where that is. So I really like this chart here. We've got this downtrend line left at 196, and then we've got this uptrend line below about 192.50. All right, I'm going to cover Amazon here. Okay, so Amazon, we had this nice retest of this broken downtrend line. As you can see, we broke it over here, and we had not retested that downtrend line that we broke over. Okay, so we retested it here. So far, it's been a successful retest. We'll see where it takes us from here, but definitely looking like a solid bottom forming here. And as you can see, it's holding the lows from Monday morning. Okay. Another thing I'm looking at is this downtrend line over here. Okay. So if we can break over that, and as you can see, it's the same, very similar angle to this downtrend line over here. So another reason why I really like it over here. So keep that line in mind as well, and a break over that will definitely signal to me that Amazon can head higher. Okay, we've got that resistance from all these candles right there, and the low of this candle right there, right around 612, and that's going to match up perfectly with that downtrend line. Okay, Netflix. So Netflix had some support in this 112, 111 range here, and it ended up breaking it. All right. It seems like it might have found a bottom here, but again, it's below this support, and it's also below this uptrend line support that it had as well. So not exactly a great look for Netflix in the short term, but again, it's got this gap to fill up there. And if you look at the daily chart here, see if I can pull that up for you. If you look at the daily chart here, it's still looking constructive as we are holding this uptrend line right there. Okay, so just kind of keep these levels in mind if and when you are trading Netflix. Okay, we're going to take a look at Apple last but not least. And we've got a nice uptrend line here on Apple. We've got here, oops, there we go. Another one over here. It's a little bit slower moving right there. Come on. Okay. And we are over the highs of the other day. So that is a bullish sign for me. If we can hold that, I think we can tag 102-ish. Okay. We've got this gap to fill up here at about 102.60. Okay. So keep that in mind. It may want to fill that. But most importantly, we've got these trend lines, and we did break over the highs of yesterday, okay? And it's showing some relative strength to the rest of the market. So just kind of keep that in mind. Apple is definitely looking pretty bullish, especially relatively speaking to the market. Thanks for watching, guys. If you're not already a member, you can join us. We have a free 7-day trial. You can take advantage of all the member-only features like the live chat room, real-time option, and stock alerts. And we've got educational videos, daily watch list, and member video exclusive to members only, where I go into much more detail and give specific trade alerts. It's a great opportunity, and I suggest that you take advantage of it. We'll see you over there.